Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can add fingerprint, how you can register fingerprint in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Fingerprint sensor is available on this side key, that is power key of your phone. To register your fingerprint, what you have to do is just go to the settings here and go to security and privacy, and here select biometrics and click on fingerprints. And now you have to give the authentication using pattern, and here see the instruction: a quick and easy way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. And click on continue and scan your fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when the percentage goes up. Okay, the sensor is on the side key on the right side of your phone. This is the side key, just place, and if percentage is increased, just lift your finger and again place. Change the position of your finger slightly. Okay, I am keeping this finger index 80% completed for this finger. Yes, added. And if you want to add another, click on add here and you can add another finger. Okay, 100% completed. If you want to add one more, yes, you can do it. Yes, fingerprint are added. Okay, only 3 fingerprints can be added. Click on done. Okay, these are only 3 fingerprints. Okay, you can also assign a name to your fingerprint. Okay, for example, this is first finger and second finger, third finger, like that. Or you can even add any name. I add Mingy first, then Mickey. So whatever name you want, you can just edit here. So I rename fingerprint 3 as Dangi, Mingy, Mickey, Dangi. I like that. You can rename as per your wish. Then check added fingerprint. Check added finger. Click on it and place the finger, and it will show the name of the finger. See here, check added fingerprint, and I keep this finger and it show the name Dungi. Okay, so in this way you can easily check your fingerprint too. Okay, also I lock my phone and using my fingerprint I unlock. Okay, it's quick. Okay, quick and easy way to unlock your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.